Alright. A triangle has vertices B. Okay, hold up. A triangle has vertice B, -8, 5, vertice A, 2, -4, and vertice E, -14, 7. Write the equation for the line containing altitude of BE. Alright, what are we trying to find? We are trying to make an equation for the line containing the altitude of BE. And what you might be asking, what equation? What kind of equation? What the equation we're gonna do is point slope formula, which is this: y minus k. Actually, I'll write it like this. Can I make this bigger? I cannot make this bigger. Never mind, I'll just write it like this. Y minus k equals. Oh, this is way better. Never mind. X minus h. Alright. To find the altitude of BE, we have to find the perpendicular bisector. And we know our bisector is 2, -4. Because A is the middle. And for example, if we write this triangle out, it will be this. And you see, and we know this part is always the middle. So this is gonna be our middle that we're gonna substitute for this equation. We are trying to find the what's it called? The perpendicular slope, which means we have to make the slope negative reciprocal. Alright, first we put this into the slope formula, which is y square minus y 1, then it's x square minus x1. Alright, now we substitute these points. Alright, y1, x1, x square, y square. And now we do this. Now we substitute the points. So 7 minus 5, and then we see x squared is this, so we have to do -14 negative 14 and negative x1, which is negative 8 in this case. This equals to 2 over negative 6, because you see 2 negatives makes a positive, and these two combine, right, which makes this positive, as you can see right here. So negative 2, 6 is our normal slope, right? But we're trying to find the perpendicular slope, which is the negative reciprocal. So we just flip this over and times this by negative 1. Alright, so we flip this over to get negative 6 over 2. Then you times this by negative 1 to make this the perpendicular slope of 3m, which equals to perpendicular m equals 3. And our slope is our normal slope, and our normal slope is 1/3, negative 1/3. If you simplify to negative 2 over 6, now we plug this into this equation right here. So this is what I do. This is so what we're going to plug HK. K. So Y, K is negative 4, but it's a negative sign, so that cancels out, which makes it plus 4. Plus 4, then we equal, and we put on our perpendicular slope, which is 3, positive 3. So it is 3x minus 2. And this is our result. And this is the result. And this is the equation for this is the equation for the line containing altitude of BE. Y plus 4 equals 3 parentheses x minus 2 parentheses. Alright, have a nice day. See you guys.